Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to open the Valorant and it shows could not start, and in followed by it also shows that Valorant installed folder location. So anyway, how to fix this issue? And here I get this problem in my Windows 10 PC. At same time this trick works for all Windows platforms. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all open your local drive C and then go to Riot Games folder. So here you can click to open this Valorant folder and click to access this live folder. So here you can right click on that application launch file and then go to properties. So here you can select compatibility tab. So friends, here you can untick all the options including this run this program as an administrator option. So once you done this processes, just click to save these changes. So after you done this processes, now you can click to access the ShooterGame folder and the second one and then go to Binaries and click to open this Win64 folder. So here it shows lots of DLL files. So here I try to locate that Valorant setup file. So same way you can right click on it and then go to properties and then select compatibility tab. So friends, same way here also you can untick all the options and then click to save these changes. So once you done this processes, just restart your Windows PC. So after the restarting is completed, now one more time I try to access this Valorant because I try to check it. But friends, now this time this Valorant is successfully opening and it does not show any other error notifications. So this is the way you can easily fix your Valorant could not start issue by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Data Box, and thanks for watching.